All right, so we are on the topic now of Visarga Sandhi. And I hope that everyone had a chance to do the homework so that whatever questions are there in your mind, they can come to the front and you can make sure that when we go through the corrections, you understand what you didn't understand. So now let's go through the homework. Dhritarashtraha uvacha. So the sound that comes over here just before Visarga is a. You have aha plus u. If you check your Sandhi rule table, you'll see that the answer for that is dropped. So then this becomes Dhritarashtra uvacha, which is what you see in Bhagavad Gita, isn't it? You don't see Dhritarashtraha uvacha. You see Dhritarashtra uvacha because Visarga is dropped. Samavetaha yuyutsavaha. So now you have a aha followed by ya. Ya is a soft consonant. So what happens when you have a followed by a soft consonant? A followed by soft consonant. Again, you'll see the answer is dropped. So the answer becomes here Samaveta Yuyotsavaha. Samaveta Yuyotsavaha. Okay. And you'll see that if you're familiar with chanting chapter 1, you'll hear that also. Pandavaha cha eva. So now there are two words that are going to have to be joined. Sandhi number 1 is aha plus cha. Aha plus cha. Aha plus cha. It becomes a sh halant. The visarga changes into a sh halant. So you're going to get Panda Vash, because the visarga changed into sh halant. There's a cha here, but now the cha plus ava. Once upon a time, we did vowel sandhi. So what happens when you have a plus a, the two become a. So this is going to become che. Now, these two words, because they're both consonants, means here's a consonant, you're going to join them. The visarga wasn't dropped. It wasn't changed into a vowel, so the words have to be joined. So how are you going to write it as one word now? Pandavash che. But remember the vowel sandhi rule. It becomes sh, a little sh, and a ch. Sh. This letter comes so often because of this vowel sandhi. Because of the visarga sandhi. The visarga changes into a sh halant, and you get sh, sh. All over our Sanskrit shlokas, you'll hear sh. Okay. Okay, let me make space. Right. Duryodhanaha tada. So you have a aha meeting a the. The is hard or soft. See, it doesn't matter what the is. The has its own column. Hmm? So the is hard, that is true. But the also has its own column. The word was Duryodhanaha. So it was a visarga. If you used hard consonant boxed, you would have had Duryodhanaha tada. No change. But the has its own column. That is why it becomes Sahalant Duryodhanas tada. Not Duryodhanaha tada. So here we get plus the halant. Oh, all the vowels have to have halant. Aha plus the halant equals sahalant. Duryodhanas tada. Now see, this sahalant is meeting a consonant. You have consonant here, so you have to join the words. So how do you now write sahalant plus ta? The stick is going to go from the sahalant and it's going to stick to the ta. Duryodhanas tada is what it becomes. Pashya etan. Pashya etan. What is the sandhi here? You can't say, oh, there's no sandhi. I don't see the visarga. Here it's a vowel sandhi. A plus A equals A. So the answer here becomes Uvacha Partha Pashyetan. Sounds familiar? Hmm? Shuraha Maheshvasaha. So you have a aha meeting a ma. Now, does ma have its own special row in the table? No. So now you have to ask, is ma hard or soft? Ma is soft because it comes babha will be hard, babha ma soft. So soft, what was the word? Shuraha meeting Maheshvasaha. The answer is, Visarga is dropped. Aha plus Mahalanth equals dropped. Shura Maheshvasaha. And remember, because the Visarga is dropped, they stay separate. They don't get joined. They stay separate here. Yuyudhanaha Virataha cha. Now there's two sandhis happening here. You have aha meeting vahalant. Va is what? Yaralava. If you look at your table, you'll see they're soft. Yaralava is soft. So, oh, what was the word? Yuyudanaha. So, a plus va. A plus soft. It becomes O. Then you have virataha cha. So we'll find that one time. Virataha is a, and then you have cha. Cha. So that second one is going to become shahalant. Aha plus va becomes O. And aha plus cha becomes shahalant. So now the visarga is changing into these two. So what you're going to get is yuyudhano. Then you're going to get viratash cha. Then your next step is now you have to join whatever is applicable. Do these two need to be joined? No, because this is a vowel. Do these two need to be joined? Yes, because this is a consonant. So this becomes yuyudhano viratash cha. Nobody should have issues writing sh in this class again. It's so common. Those whose videos are off, please turn them on. Okay, cool. Next. Vikrantaha uttamaujaha. Ch. So now you have aha. Aha plus u equals. And you have aha plus ch. Halant equals. So a plus u, a plus ch. A plus u dropped. This is A2O. So you check this box to get your U. A plus U becomes dropped. And then the other one was A plus, I forgot already. A plus ch. A plus ch. That becomes shahalant. What was A plus U here? A plus U is dropped. A plus ch, shahalant. So let's do this. Vikrantaha. I was right the first time. A plus U dropped. A plus shahalant becomes shahalant. So now you write this. This becomes Vikranta. Then it becomes Uttamauja. Now see, ja, sh, cha. The visarga is going to change into shahalant and is going to join a cha. So you can write the shahalant full, or you can write it like this straight away. Uttamauja cha. And these two stay separate because there's a visarga there that was dropped. Nayakaha mama. Now what happens when you have a ah meeting a soft consonant? Aha plus mahalant, which is soft, equals dropped. So this becomes Nayaka mama. So far, so good? Tatha eva cha. Now you have, see, there's no visarga, so you can't use the table for these ones. When there's no visarga, you have to remember to use the vowel sandhi rule. So, a plus a equals a. And then a plus cha, that's not a sandhi. Plus cha is not a sandhi. That's just two words. So, really speaking, your sandhi is only this. Huh? I'm so interested to see what people wrote. I saw some. You have to know when Sandhi rules apply and when they don't. They apply when there's Visarga meeting a word. They apply when there's vowel meeting a vowel. They apply when there's consonant meeting consonant. They don't apply when there's vowel meeting consonant. There's no such thing as, that's not a Sandhi. Okay? So the only thing here will be that ha plus eva becomes tatheva. Tatheva cha. Make sure you get all the cherries correct, huh? Tu idam. This is not uhu plus it. This is just u plus it. U plus it equals vahalant plus it. Now remember, the u is going to change into vahalant. That means that the is going to go from a full consonant to a half consonant. So you're going to have th. A lot. Okay, let me write this out. Already people had forgotten this, huh? Tahalant and u meeting I plus dam. U is going to change into vahalant and I is going to remain the same. So now you have tahalant, vahalant, I, and dam. How do you write that? Tahalant, vahalant plus I becomes tvi, dam. Tu idam becomes tvidam, not tavidam. Or how, yeah, not tavidam, tvidam. Okay. I'm going slowly because if you get it, you get it. If you don't get it, you'll feel like Sandhi's heart. Eva abhirakshantu. Again here, vowel Sandhi. A meeting a becomes a. This one, nobody should have made a mistake. I should not see any vowels in between the words. Eva abhirakshantu becomes eva bhirakshantu. I think most people are super, super comfortable with the plus a. Huh? This one you can do in your sleep for real. You might be getting everything wrong, but if there's a plus a, you're good to go. At least one mark. So, this nobody should be writing the in here. Nobody should be writing the in here. Okay. Shankhaha cha. We've done plenty of this now. Aha plus cha equals shahalant. Means the visarga is going to become shahalant. So this answer is going to be shang the halant, the visarga is going to change into shahalant and it's meeting a cha. So one time you can write shankascha. If you need to write it in 2 steps, write it in 2 steps. Don't feel anything about writing it in 2 steps. Video's on, please. Shankascha. Sahasa eva. Sahasa eva. A plus A equals what? A plus A equals A. So then you get really Sahase. Saha shabdaha tumalaha abhavat. Oh no, we only have 4 minutes and I wanted to teach you all something else. We're going to pause this and finish it tomorrow. I want to show you all something else now. Now, I want to talk about breaking sandhis. Breaking sandhis. So let's take this example from your homework. It'll be one less thing. Prahur avyayam. The 2 words are prahur avyayam. And I broke it over here so you could see it clearly. What I'll do is I'll write all the sandhis in a different color so you can look for them. Prahuravyayam. So what is the original word? This is only to help first time for you to see it separate. Prahur avyayam will become, I think you can guess without any rule. The rahalant, what? You have a u plus an u visarga plus equals rahalant. This rule sounds familiar? Okay. This is going to become prahuhu avyayam. Did everybody get that? We've been going from having a having a visarga to making a sandhi. Now we're trying to go from the made sandhi back to having a visarga. So let us take another example. Let us take the example of namaste. Namaste. Everyone knows namaste. Namaste, we've colored the sa. The sa is in pink. So that sa is going to become a visarga. So namaha it is going to become and te. Did everybody get that? Namaste. The sahalant is going to turn back into a visarga, and you're going to have namaha te. This namaha te, now you check the rule. Is it true that aha plus the equals sahalant? That means you got it right. Huh? So this is your homework. You take the words and you try to figure out what the correct sandhi was. So you're going to write the separate words and you're going to write the rule. I'm going to do one more. See this one at the top. Adha shakham. Adha shakham. So you have here a case of, I'm saying the sandhi has already been made. Huh? So then why is there a visarga? Because aha plus sha halant equals, one option is NC. Correct? Adha shakha. So the rule was aha plus shahalant equals NC. And that is why this word is like this. So try it. See, questions will come. This is the kind of thing, once you do it, you'll see the questions. And then when we go through it tomorrow, you'll get clarity about where your confusions were. Okay. Does everyone kind of get it? Yeah? Okay, good. Because everyone's faces were looking like, what are you talking about? This is like Greek. We're not doing Sanskrit anymore. So as long as everybody gets it a little bit, that is good. Try out the homework. I'll send it to you right now. And yeah, test it out, see how you feel, and we'll take it up tomorrow. Okay. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamadachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om. Shri Sadguranath Maharaj Ki Jai. Okay, I'll take questions.